हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एट अनदर पावरफुल वीडियो। आर यू फेसिंग डिफिकल्टीज टू ऐड द पेमेंट मेथड इन द फेसबुक एड अकाउंट, या आपका पेमेंट फेल हो रहा है, या फेसबुक इज नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग एनी ऑफ द कार्ड्स, या योर अकाउंट गॉट सम बैलेंस स्टक देयर? इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी गिविंग solution latest strategies because this question was asked by so many of my students and so many of my YouTube viewers as well. How to add payment method, or how do you solve the problems of adding payment method in Facebook ad accounts, like Facebook debit card, credit card is not accepting, it says this is not supported, you can't do that one, etc. Okay, in this video I will be giving you some tips. First of all, I will be giving some basic fundamental what kind of cards Facebook accept, and then the most probable reasons or cause क्यों आपका कार्ड ऐड नहीं होता है या पेमेंट फेल होता है, या what are the challenges up to this latest. And another part I will be giving you tips and solution how to fix that one. Please watch this video till the end and make a lot of notes because this is really important for you, even though you are already running the advertising or you want to run. So let's go here. Let me take you on my screen first of all. So let's go here. जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो, I will be covering this part. First thing, आप जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर हो right now, Facebook payment method not working, problem solved. What is the intention? How do you fix Facebook payment method and billing issue? If you are already my student or you are already my follower on YouTube channel, this is going to be helpful to you. This is really on-demand video. First, I will be giving you three steps here, three point here. Understand type of ad accounts and payment method. That is really important. Reason for payment fail or card, why Facebook don't accept the cards, and the solution. And दोस्तों, this is not like कि कहीं तो मतलब YouTube पे देख के नहीं बनाया है. I have spent more than 1.2 CR on the Facebook ad of my and my clients' money. I have my own thousands of students already active. I am personally spending lakhs of rupees per month and dealing with this kind of issue. And I also work with so many Facebook expert, Facebook guideline, direct Facebook teams. So I have some really inside update for you. So please make a note of all of them. So here we go. First point: understand the type of ad accounts and the payment methods. See, now जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर हो, फर्स्ट देर आर टू टाइप ऑफ एड अकाउंट्स. फर्स्ट ऑटो डेबिट और पोस्टपेड एड अकाउंट, एंड द सेकेंड टाइप इज प्रीपेड अकाउंट. द पोस्टपेड इज रियली सिंपल, लाइक यू सेटअप द एड अकाउंट्स एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस, क्या होता है उसके बाद में, बेसिकली वेन एवर देर इज सम बिलिंग थ्रेश होल्ड लाइक 5,000, 10,000, 60,000 अप टू मैक्सिमम 60,000. As your account gets older, Facebook give you credit. Facebook आपको credit देता है. After that certain amount, Facebook will bill on your account. Your card will be charged automatically. Credit card or debit card. Now there are different cards can be work. Credit card or debit card, both can be working. But I will tell you why credit card work or why don't work in the next point. But for now, there are two type of account. First is postpaid. Second is prepaid. Prepaid is really simple. Just like mobile phone, you can add the balance before running advertising, like through Paytm, through debit card, credit card, net banking. There are so many reasons. I will be showing you immediately. Okay, postpaid, prepaid, both of things. Second point is there, reason for payment failed. I will tell you, but before let me show you some ad accounts. जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर हो, I will take you inside my business manager. I have so many ad accounts. I will take one of them. For example, I have one ad account. Billings. If I go to the billing here right now, billing, you can see I have some available balance. This means this is the prepaid account. Like I can add funds, whatever the add funds, I can add fund from here in case my account is add. Like first of all, I can suppose 1,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, whatever I want to add. Payment method, UPI, payment gateway. There are so many net banking payment methods for that one. But if you see another ad account, I will show you another ad account. Like for example, I have a demo ad account. There is if you see outstanding balance, there is no pay now, etc. There is no option because this is a demo account. There is no transaction at all. But basically here it will charge to your card. This is a prepaid card. There is no add payment, but pay now option is there. So आपको बस यहाँ पे मैं बताने के लिए ट्राई कर रहा था कि प्रीपेड पोस्ट दो टाइप के अकाउंट होते हैं. एंड द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स है अभी इंडिया के अंदर, स्पेसिफिकली इफ यू आर फ्रॉम इंडिया, द आरबीआई हैज पुट सम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन द फेसबुक पेमेंट मेथड. मैक्सिमम 5,000 का ही पेमेंट हो सकता है, सो दैट ऑल ऑफ द अकाउंट्स आर गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्रीपेड बाय डिफॉल्ट एनीवे. बट दैट इज अ डिफरेंट पार्ट. आई विल टेल यू श्योरली. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट हियर इज reason for payment fail. There are 5 to 6 top reasons why your payment get failed. First point here, no sufficient balance on your card or account. Make sure you have the sufficient balance. Second, online international transactions are not allowed. तो basically कभी कभी क्या होता है, सपोज मेरा HDFC का है तो sometime banks don't allow international transaction due to the frauds or etc. तो make sure check with your bank कि आपका international transaction allowed है क्या नहीं है. Okay, make sure that one. Plus, auto debit facility is disabled. Sometime like might be auto debit facility without PIN is disabled. You have to do first time authentication. So please check with your account or card if there is a auto debit facility is enabled. Check with your bank. Okay. Fourth, card has daily online spend limit. Suppose I have the credit card, for example, there is a spending limit online, suppose 5,000, 10,000. Sometime what you do, suppose Facebook का 50,000 का payment है and your card limit has 10,000 rupees limit per transaction. So please check that one if that is, there is a transaction limit on your card. But it's good to have transaction limit to avoid the spam. And fifth, local bank or RBI regulation. This is really common. Let me tell you, this is really important. Please watch this video till the end. Because in the India, if you're watching this in 2021, there is some regulations has been imposed by RBI. Here we go. So below this video, I will be giving link in description, or you can even though go on Google and type in comment box, latest Reserve Bank of India or RBI regulations for Facebook, and you will get this technet like changes in the card standing instruction due to the new e-mandate regulation. What does it say? I'm not going to read completely. Due to the recent e-mandate regulation enacted by Reserve Bank of India, your recurring payment may be affected. On e-mandate, you may not be able to accept new standing instruction. Currently, in case you are watching right now this video in 2021 in September, so Facebook is not accepting any new card. That is a common issue for all of them. But after month end, once your account is get converted to the prepaid, it will work for you. I don't know when you are watching. So basically you can watch the technet below. I have given this video. Let me just zoom in. What is the prepaid method? Same, I explained already prepaid method. You can add the payment. Ensure that business continue advertising. You can just you can add the prepaid balance and run that. Also here are some here are some new basically some new guidelines there. Add billing changes due to the new and e-mandate regulation. Add manual payment method. Accepted payment method to manually pay for advertising. Create new ad setup manually. So basically below this video, I will give this resource. Okay, I will give this resource below so that you can refer immediately and follow that one. Now I hope that is helpful. Let's go to the next point here. Now solution, in case your account is already disabled or you are not able to add that accounts or anything, or you are completely new, you are not running the advertising, whatever it may be, आपका card accept नहीं हो रहा है. Solution for that one. Solution, I will give some smart solution. First solution, check with your bank immediately if there is a auto debit and international payments and spending limits are enabled. Second, chat with Facebook support for billing issue. This is really important. I thought I will not share with you, but you can best way you can chat with Facebook support for billing issue. Let me tell you here. You can go to your business manager in case आप business manager use कर रहे हो. Facebook का business manager है. You can chat with them. You can select your ad account, whatever your आपका जो कुछ भी ad account है आप select कर सकते हैं. For example, I have another ad account, sample ad accounts. यहाँ पे आप जब भी आप business manager में जाते हो, in business manager there is an option called let me just zoom in. Business manager होता है business.facebook.com. इसके अंदर ऑप्शन होता है लेफ्ट साइड पे search etc. There is a small question mark. You can click on the question mark here, and here is option like through Facebook help, recommended articles are there, plus contact support team. You can directly chat with Facebook support. यहाँ पे आपका ad account select करो, whatever ad accounts you have. I have this demo account like payment issue. Select the payment issue, and you can select the reason. How do I add fund to my ad accounts using manual payment method? I need to help with payment method. Select. I need to select reason. I need to help with payment method. Get help. There will be some articles वहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको. Do that one. In case that is not still helping, click on the contact supports and chat. Chat with them. Give your mobile number, email address, and give the reason them and start the chat. Once you do the chatting, कोई भी रीजन रहने दो, आप यहाँ से chat कर सकते हो. Give the right reason here. There are so many reasons for that one. And once that one, the Facebook chat will be open. Facebook business support, and you can start chatting with them. They will guide you step by step. They will give you the case study, and everything will be sorted out. Okay. It takes time. Sometime it takes time, but they will help you. I hope this was helpful. Another third, try different cards and payment method. In case आपके पास debit card है, try credit card, try different cards. Give the shot. Really important, right? Another, use prepaid ad account. So now by default, in case you are not using, in case you are watching this latest video, use the prepaid account. You can add the payment through Paytm, net banking, anything, Google Pay. You can do the Google search how to create prepaid account. Anyway, all new accounts are being created in the prepaid. तो जितने भी नए अकाउंट्स आ रहे हैं वो सब कुछ प्रीपेड बन रहे, ठीक है? ऑसम. एंड फिफ्थ, क्लियर एग्जिस्टिंग ड्यू पेमेंट. इन केस आपका कुछ रीजन से पेमेंट फेल हुआ है, इन केस आपका कोई भी पेमेंट फेल हुआ है, तो प्लीज क्लियर एग्जिस्टिंग ड्यू पेमेंट. अदरवाइज फेसबुक विल स्टॉप योर एड अकाउंट्स. इट विल नॉट अलाउ टू रन द एड्स. सो लेट मी रिकैप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखो यहाँ पे था अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एड अकाउंट्स. आई हैव गिवन यू नीड टू वॉच दिस वीडियो 2-3 टाइम्स. Like postpaid, prepaid, two types of accounts are there, and accordingly payment method will be different. Reason for payment failed: no sufficient balance, please check. Online international transaction are not allowed, please check with your bank. Auto debit facility, card has online limit, and local RBI regulations. It is a law latest issue which you can check on the Google as well. This is really important. RBI regulations. I have given the technet below this video. And then we have solution, like I told you. Cross check with your bank for auto debit, international payment method, spending limit. Chat with Facebook support through using chat method through business manager. Go to the question mark and chat with them. Try different cards payment method. Use prepaid ad account. In case आपका कोई existing due है, तो please clear that due. कभी कभी क्या होता है आपका, in case there is some even the 50 rupees due amount, Facebook will not allow you to add new card. So please clear that one using existing payment method and then add new payment method. Those are the solutions. I have given some solutions. Now let me talk about you guys. Was this video useful? What is your biggest learning? आपके और क्या questions है? Please share the comment box below. In case आपने कुछ इसमें से कुछ points, difficulties, कुछ problem face किए हैं तो आप comment box में type कर सकते हैं. I will personally create new video on that part. Also, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button right now. Also, share with your friends because sharing is caring. And also, in case you want more support, more guidance, dominate online marketing, get customer, crush, I do one of the workshop called High Performance Facebook Ad and Funnel Workshop that has changed the life of 11,000 plus entrepreneurs so far. And if you want to take them on the fast track, you can check on my link, invite to live training. You can go to the dattatule.co/formula, or you can check the link in description on top. Check the link in the description and learn more, become a part of workshop or my webinar. Thank you very much. Love you all. Take care. Until then, signing off for today. Datta Tule, digital growth expert, 100% committed to your growth and happiness. Dhanyavad.